Alright, this is part 2 of my Razor dirt bike modification for the Hart battery. In part 1, I had the bracketry and stuff still in there. Check that video. I didn't really like the setup. It worked, but it looked bad even though I said it was okay. But this one, I just went ahead and cleaned up the wiring. I got the controller zip tied to the top tube. So let's see if we can get up under there and get a view. It's got everything zip tied up in there. And I'm just doing this on my cell phone, so it's probably a crappy video, but I got it all zip tied up in there. And then I also didn't really like the on-off switch didn't exist anymore. I think that spark in when you plug the battery in was a little bit too janky. So I just went ahead and wired up the on-off switch. Super easy, the same procedure. Just plug your spade connector in to the existing wiring harness and use your wires, which I shortened in this version as well to make it a little cleaner looking. You can see them; they're just plugged right into here, just like they were before, except this goes to the switch and then to the controller. So it's just a little cleaner. On-off switch works. Nothing happening now. No spark. No popping. And it's working. And also, I didn't measure it, but I think 2 batteries would fit here in parallel. And I also think that these batteries, these particular Hart ones, they don't have a BMS built in. I think they just have the lights for capacity. So I think hooking them up in series will be okay, and they won't blow something up, but I'm taking a risk on that just to see. So pay attention to whatever batteries you might use, because if there's a built-in BMS, they're not going to like being hooked up in series. They might be okay with hooked up in parallel, maybe, as long as the voltages are the same, but in series they might blow up. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, I don't know what battery I'm going to pick. I saw that the Hart makes a lawnmower. It comes with 2 40 volt 5 amp hour batteries as well as the fast charger. So I might just buy that lawnmower. I don't need another lawnmower, but if it comes with the batteries I need and the fast charger, it might be more economical just to get the whole lawnmower and cut the grass with the damn thing too. So I don't know. We'll see on that. The good thing with these little guys though is you lose range, but you can always take a couple extra with you, and they don't weigh much. So if you're out on a trail, take a backpack, throw a couple in there. You could even figure out some type of little bag situation here to hanging from the top tube to throw you an extra battery in, or strap to the front somehow. Yeah, so I just want to do a quick update on that. I did weigh the lead acid batteries, and they weighed 26 pounds. So you can definitely feel the weight difference when you pick up the bike and throw it on this bucket. It feels substantially lighter, and the center of gravity's about as low as you're going to get with just this light battery and the motor and the super light controller up top. So I think the performance is about as good as you're going to get with the stock form, unless you up the voltage, which I'm not going to do with the stock stuff. I'm just going to get the upgrade. And you see I forgot to put that nut in there. So I'm just going to get the Electric and Company upgrade to 72 volts and try that. And that's what I was talking about. I'm going to hook these guys up in series and see if they don't blow up. So that's it. That's just a quick update. Definitely happier with the look of this and having that switch. Now, I could have put the original plastics back on, but the plastic's kind of crappy. And then you'd have to take it off to swap out the battery. So that's not very feasible. And also the way I got this set up, it's zip tied in, but unplug these guys and let me grab the charger. There it is. Cool thing is, if you don't want to take the battery out every time or deal with that, slides right on. Done deal. So you can leave it zip tied in. Yeah, I'm a sucker for some zip ties. And probably a better solution would be to use Velcro on the bottom as well as zip ties. But it's in there pretty good. I mean, it ain't going too far. And this thing just pops right back off. And you're good to go. Alright, there it is. And of course I had to get my finger in the damn picture too. There it is. Runs like a top. I'm happy with it. See ya.